2018 new Honda Goldwing engine. Of course this motorcycle will offer a great performance. So, you need to know the engine first. Most rumors say that this will be powered by multi-cylinder boxer for the engine. It is installed in longitudinal direction. However, the changes do not include the radical engine. We also hope that Honda Goldwing auto transmission is available for this future version, so it can be ridden more comfortably. 2018 Honda Goldwing suspension features. In relation to the suspension, there are some features related to it. This suspension is attached in the back into a vertical link. It comes down from the headstock of the bike. Besides that, this bike will also apply so many suspension features to support the optimum performance. Considering the specs above, 2018 Honda Goldwing is very interesting even though the rumors are still limited and not fixed.